everybody, and welcome to True Nature.
Timber sit like this. See, like Jim, this is one of the rocks. This hole does go really deep.
Oh, here's one right here. Oh, cool.
I told you, didn't I? Called it.
Yep.
The Juvie timber.
Oh, nice.
I called it. I go, that's
Just leave
a
him
good
there
rock.
for a minute. That's a good photo.
Let me get a picture before you pick him up.
No, I'm not picking him up. I'm taking video of him.
Yeah, he called it.
All right.
That's awesome. Just make sure I get video of him.
Video of him sitting there.
I wrote a song about it.
Oh, you did? Well, he's cool.
Oh, yeah.
My camera's in my bag.
Oh, I didn't.
What do you got, Tyler?
This is a ringneck. It's a pretty big one.
I got it.
Big fucker. Little one right past him, but big fucker. No, you said nothing was up here.
I didn't get up that.
Oh, I thought you did.
Wow.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Thing's a monster.
Is the little one still there?
Yeah, the little one just dropped down.
Holy
Is this-
shit.
Is this thing blinking?
Oh my god.
Is it on?
Oh, no, I don't see it. You can let go of it.
Oh, it's blinking. We're good.
Damn it, Don. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Look at that giant cyst.
Jeez.
that's a good catch for your tongue.
Yeah. First catch with the tongue too. Look at this. Look at this mass right here. Like, look at that. It's a rabbit. This guy just ate a freaking rat.
Oh, that's
That's a rat. Well, I mean, it probably was from the den somewhere. Look how big he just is puffing up.
Yeah, I'll need to get a picture of the milk at some point here. Yeah, I'm on my way. I raised silkworms. I can stand through off the pond.
I don't remember if it was in that paper or something else someone mentioned that there's actually old Indian cave drawings of copperheads eating bugs.
Oh, he's not liking that.
Look at that puff up.
I love that.
You might get a strike shot on that camera.
I doubt it.
Oh, there's the
wait,
tongue.
there it goes.
tongue. You're going to tongue.
He does have a tongue.
Oh,
There's his trying.
why
Like
didn't
I
I
said,
say
Mike. Got the roaches.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
There's
Right
one.
next to you. Oh, there's a...
Oh, yeah.
Under a little bit. He's trying to get in further, but he can't. I saw him.
I'm trying to get it like a little.
It's
Take
a
your bag
wide
up,
angle.
Jim, or
Pick up.
your bag slipping off.
No, it's alright. I was just looking at that. Scale in front of the eye on this side looks kind of weird.
On this side too, there's a little raised area. I don't know if it's a full bite or something.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
The preocular scale just is a little funky looking.
Trying to do some cinnamon apple.
Pick that thing up. And, you know, I've handled
Dozens and dozens of